So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I am so stoked to share with you guys how I'm going to be managing to make a little over $4,000 this month on TikTok. Yes, that's right, making money on TikTok. Who would have thought? More importantly, guys, I'm going to break down the 3 ways I'm getting monetized, as well as what you can do yourself to start making some income off of TikTok. Now personally for me, my brand or my TikTok is only sitting around 250,000 followers, but there are so many endless monetization strategies that I continue to turn down, and more importantly, I'm making some great money off of TikTok. We are just getting started, but I want to share with you guys what you can do, give you the real proof, dive into the analytics of how I'm making money on this platform, show you guys the proof on how you can do it as well. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. I would be a little disappointed if you found value, you've tuned in, you've liked this video, and more importantly, not subscribed to the channel. It helps really grow this channel. It means so much to me. So guys, I want to share with you guys my journey. I remember posting TikTok videos for the past year, and all my friends used to tell me, what is the point of posting? Why are you trying to build a brand? There's no way you're going to make money on this platform. But hey, I'm here to make this video to share with you guys that there are so many opportunities to make money on social media when you start building a brand, getting followers, find your niche, and more importantly, I'm going to be showing you guys what you need to start growing, building a brand, and start making money on this platform. It is so possible in 2021. We are just getting started, and people are making an insane amount of money on TikTok, and you can as well. So guys, I mentioned the 3 ways that I'm making money on TikTok, and I want to jump into the first and probably the most obvious way that creators like myself and hopefully like you are going to start making money on TikTok. That is directly through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now there are a few restrictions for you to start making money, getting monetized through this TikTok Creator Fund, which is a great opportunity because imagine getting paid just to post some videos that you're already posting. Absolutely insane. So the first restriction that you need to be mindful of is that you have to be at least 18 years old. You have to have at least 10,000 subscribers or followers, whatever you want to call them, and also 10,000 views in a certain period. These are the 3 main things that you need to watch before you go ahead and start making money directly off of TikTok. But what I want to say is that this is the exact way that you're going to start making money on TikTok. Now I want to jump into my personal TikTok analytics, my creator fund, to start showing you guys some real proof how much money I'm making. And typically on this creator fund, you're gonna make around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views per video. So depending on how many views you get, how much growth you have on your channel, you're gonna start making some decent money on your channel. So as you guys can see right here, we're sitting at 253,000 subscribers on my personal TikTok account with 5.4 million likes. Absolutely insane, and some viral videos have really helped grow this, which I'll share at the end. But I'm gonna jump directly into my personal analytics right now. So it's Monday morning. I'm gonna show you guys what I did last week, the last 7 days. Now we got a little over 1.2 million views on my personal TikTok page. Now this is absolutely incredible. I remember when I was getting 1 to 2,000 views per week, but now we're actually growing and building some income on here. So how much money did you make, Peter? Let's dump right into my creator fund right here. I'm not gonna hide anything. Let's go. $1,180 is how much I have right now on my current TikTok creator fund. And as you guys can see on the right here, 04, 08, the 7th, the 6th, the 5th, coming down the line, we're making $3, $5, $8, $19.05, $9, $6, $8.32. There is a great opportunity to make money. And what I would say is that I've been estimating how much I'm making per day. It's probably around $3 to $10 every day just from posting directly onto the TikTok Creator Fund is making me money. So I would say I average it out to make around $150 to $175 per month directly through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now the great thing about this is that you can actually pull this money out, it goes directly into your PayPal. You are actually making real money. And also you got to think about the side of going live streaming, people getting donations and coins. This is another aspect through the direct creator fund that I'm getting paid on. So secondly, guys, I want to share probably the most profitable way that I'm making money, and actually the real way that people and creators like you and I are going to make thousands of dollars every month. And that is directly through brand partnerships. Now this seems to be a very profitable but also very marketable niche on TikTok and on social media. Now thankfully for me, there's a lot of outside media companies, there's a lot of brands that need help representing, and this whole wave of becoming an influencer is starting to really start making you some real money. So personally for me, guys, I've been getting reached out for around 3 to 10 brands every week to represent products, to post videos for them, and more importantly, become or make videos and content for them. So lately we've had some huge news. A media company reached out to me and they're deciding to pay me $500 for 2 videos every week to represent a financial product. Now, the great thing about this is I'm not representing or trying to make money off TikTok. I want to talk about the things, and if it comes in ad forms where I can still bring value to the audience and I'm getting paid, then more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and promote it. I'm not trying to promote any BS, things that I don't believe in, but this company truly has the things that I really love and enjoy and can help a lot of people. So I figured, hey, why don't you make a few dollars here? So right now, this week here, we're making around $1,000 off of these 2 posts. And the great thing about this is that we've lined it up to have 2 posts every week for the rest of this month. So directly through this company, I'll show you guys a little bit of the actual payments that I'm receiving through my PayPal account. This was last week. It was a little short of $900, but as you can see in the past few weeks, we have made a little bit decent money. Let's see if we can get zoomed in here. $2,000, $485 directly off TikTok. A medium company is paying me every week to go ahead and post and make money directly on my personal TikTok account. And even better, there's another way that I'm making money, not even directly posting on my TikTok account. There's brands that are people that are trying to represent products or services that reach out to me, really big companies actually, that say, hey, Peter, can you make us a video? You don't have to post it on your TikTok. We'll pay you around whatever your fee is. Negotiate your fee, and more importantly, I'm going to be upping my fee for around $600 to $800 per video, and we have 2 of those lined up as well. So another $900 in revenue that's me coming in. And secondly, a really neat opportunity that has been given to me this week through this whole paid sponsorship brand creator type deal is that there's companies that are reaching out to me that are paying me $400 to $600 to create a video for them and just to send it directly through them. And even better, I don't have to post it directly on my personal TikTok account. I don't have to promote anything on my own page. But what they want me to do is just to post a video of myself. They give me a script. I create my own creativity content, and more importantly, go ahead and send it to them, and they pay me, and it doesn't even go on the TikTok platform. I don't know how this works, but I just signed 2 deals here. I'm around $450 with a company for the later in this month. So another opportunity to make around $900 doing this. So guys, what I would say is the best way to really get ahead and start making money on this way is to develop a niche, build your audience, understand what your customers or what is really attractive, what you really enjoy posting, because if you post more, you build a brand. Guess what? Once you hit that 250,000 mark, once you hit that first 100K mark on TikTok, you're going to see a lot of opportunities. You're going to see people trying to reach out to you to sponsor products, because influencer marketing is going to continue to grow, and this is a huge opportunity for you. So once I hit that 100,000 followers on TikTok, it continued to grow and starting to make money on this platform. So guys, right there, directly through the paid sponsorship deals that I've worked on this week and this month, we're making around $4,500 this month directly on TikTok. Now, lastly, I want to show you guys the third way that I've made money on TikTok this month was through an outside creator source. Now, like once you're a creator, there's a lot of platforms out there that are trying to help creators like you and I get monetized. You know, we're posting value, we're building an audience, and everyone wants to make money on social media. So there's a lot of different opportunities, a lot of businesses, a lot of apps out there that are trying to get paid for being creators. So one of the places that I use, that I created a campaign for, that I just share, hey, how much my rate is, how much my fee is, basically creating a profile on how much money it costs to post a video for a company or as paid sponsorship, is through Collabstar. And last week I got paid to promote a quick little book, a book that I believed in. It was a book about policing, and for me, that was something that I believed in. My family is a line of police officers, so I wanted to help them out, and they paid me $150 as well, as you can see right here. So just using Collabstar, Breaker, there's a lot of different platforms out there that are helping monetize creators. This is a great thing that you want to sign up for. Create basically like an Instagram account, a profile that you'll go ahead and get connected with media sources, people that are trying to share their products or services on your personal page, and you're going to get paid for it. So go out there and connect yourself on these platforms, and new opportunities, new monetization strategies are going to come to you, and more importantly, guys, continue to create. So what I want to share with you guys is kind of wrap up this video is how I'm making money on TikTok, my kind of strategy, and more importantly, the long-term scale on how I want to make around $4,000 to $10,000 a month on TikTok. So directly through the TikTok Creator Fund, making a few extra $100, posting my videos and getting paid for it. It's simple enough. Secondly, it's through the paid sponsorship deals that I'm doing. People are reaching out to me, media companies are trying to get me to represent their products, but I'm being very particular. I'm producing content I think brings a lot of value, and I don't want to just basically do this for money, but more importantly, I want to make sure I'm representing products I believe in, as well as make sure I'm getting enough value for what I'm providing for these companies. And with that, I'm making around $3,000 to $4,500 this month in general, just directly off the paid sponsorship deals that I've got going on. And then lastly is going through outlet media sources that are trying to connect creators to make money with products or service through Collabstar, Breaker. These platforms are going to be paying me to post videos. People are going to be reaching out to me, and it's another great way to get discovered and get paid for your work. So guys, I want to share with you what you can do to start getting monetized on TikTok. Now for me, I never knew this was a reality, but slowly and surely, once I started building brand, once I started to really build a following, a tight community, a niche audience, great opportunities continue to happen. And more importantly, I started making money, and no one thought this was possible except for me, and I continue to achieve and hit these goals. Now I'm so grateful for what I've done, but what I would say is, guys, post 3 to 4 times a day, be consistent, find your audience, post what you love, and more importantly, don't just do it for the likes. Everyone's out here shaking their butt, everyone's out there trying to just get attention, but you gotta build an audience around things that are important, provide a lot of value, and be different from other creators, and you're gonna start growing, building, and lastly, making money on TikTok. If you have any help, you need anything, guys, building, how can you make money, entrepreneurship, side hustle, this is why I made this YouTube channel. If you've been this far, you've not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would be a little disappointed. We are back on the YouTube grind. I missed it. I'm gonna be posting around 4 to 5 times every week, but more importantly, guys, my passion on social media, on TikTok, on all these outlets are to help you change your life on social media. The weight of the internet is incredible, and I believe anyone can change their life posting on TikTok, YouTube, building a brand, and I want to be the guy behind this mission to help you grow, to help change your life, and more importantly, follow your passion and to build a business online. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If there's anything I can particularly help you with, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on TikTok, hit me up in the comment section. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to hear what you guys are thinking about and how I can help you. And yeah, I do respond. People hit me up and say, hey Peter, do you respond to your comments? I do, and I want to connect with you guys as many people as possible. Have an amazing rest of your day. Happy Monday. Go out there and make some money on these incredible platforms. I love you guys so much. Take care.